Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we keep things simple, healthy, and real. If you're looking to lose weight naturally, without starving, pills, or crazy diets, this video is for you. Let's dive into 11 easy tips that actually work. Tip number 1. Drink water before meals. Drinking water before meals helps fill your stomach and naturally reduces how much you eat. Additionally, it supports metabolism and digestion. Digestion can be further enhanced by staying properly hydrated throughout the day. This simple habit not only promotes better health but can also lead to improved energy levels and overall well-being. Tip 2. Eat a healthy, hearty breakfast. Don't skip breakfast. A healthy breakfast provides your body the fuel it needs and helps control cravings throughout the day. Cravings that occur throughout the day can lead to unhealthy snacking. By starting your morning with a balanced meal, you set a positive tone for your eating habits and overall energy levels. Tip 3. High fiber foods. Fiber is your friend. Load up on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and beans. Eating various of these foods helps with digestion and provides essential nutrients that support overall health. Aim to include fiber-rich options in every meal for optimal benefits. They keep you full longer and help keep your digestion on track. Tip 4. Use the My Plate model. Use the My Plate guide. Split your plate into healthy sections: fruits, veggies, proteins, grains, and a touch of dairy. Balanced meals make a tremendous difference. A well-balanced diet not only fuels your body but also supports overall health and well-being. Remember, variety is key. Experiment with different foods within each category to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. Tip 5. Replace sugar with honey. Craving something sweet? Ditch the sugar and try honey instead. It's natural, full of antioxidants, and better for your body. Better for your body, honey can also enhance the flavor of your favorite dishes and beverages. Whether drizzled over yogurt, added to tea, or used in baking, it's a delicious alternative that satisfies your sweet tooth without the guilt. Tip 6. Cut back on salt. Too much salt leads to water retention and bloating. Use herbs and spices to flavor your food instead. Your waistline will thank you. By incorporating various fresh herbs and spices, you can enhance the taste of your meals without the added sodium, making your dishes both healthier and more enjoyable. Enjoy experimenting with different combinations, such as basil and oregano for Italian dishes or cumin and coriander for a touch of Middle Eastern flair. Tip 7. Healthy cooking methods. Instead of frying, try steaming, baking, grilling, or air frying. And always choose heart-healthy oils like olive oil. Choosing heart-healthy oils, like olive oil, can enhance the flavor of your dishes while also providing essential nutrients. Incorporating these cooking methods into your routine can lead to healthier meals that still satisfy your cravings. Satisfy your cravings without sacrificing your health by experimenting with various herbs and spices. These can add depth and excitement to your meals, making healthy eating a delicious experience. Tip 8. Lemon water. Lemon water is refreshing and helps your body burn fat, lower cholesterol, and improve digestion. Glass. Start your mornings with a glass. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can also boost your immune system and provide a burst of energy to kickstart your day. Kickstart your day by staying hydrated and feeling revitalized. Tip 9. Drink herbal teas. Green tea and other herbal teas are metabolism boosters. Drink them between meals to stay energized and aid digestion. Digestion can be further supported by incorporating a balanced diet rich in fiber and whole foods. Additionally, staying hydrated with water throughout the day enhances overall metabolic function and promotes well-being. Tip 10. Exercise consistently. Exercise isn't optional, it's essential. Whether it's walking, running, weightlifting, or swimming, identify what you enjoy and stick with it. Doing what you like will help you stick with it and improve your health. Remember to set realistic goals and gradually increase your intensity to keep your routine challenging and rewarding. Tip 11. Dance for fun and fitness. Not into traditional workouts? Dance it out. Zumba and dance aerobics burn calories and lift your mood. Lift your mood and have fun while getting fit. Join a class or follow online videos and discover how dancing can transform your fitness routine into an enjoyable experience. There you have it, 11 easy and natural ways to lose weight and feel amazing. Which tip will you try first? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.